This video is brought to you by Skillshare. If you want to learn about illustration, then click on the link in the description and get 2 months for free.
What's up everyone, and thanks again for tuning in. In this episode I would like to paint a mural in watercolor style, and I show you step by step how to do that. Okay, before we get started to paint this mural, I just want to say thank you to you guys to support me in my videos. Yeah, and just show you some of my projects. So this project is a mural painting for a kindergarten in Frankfurt, Germany, where I live and work as a freelance artist. And at the beginning of this project, I just started with the base coat of latex acrylic paint in white. And the reason why I base coated it with latex is simply when I paint over the latex colors, my paint dries very slow, and that gives me more time to handle the wet paint on the wall. Please let me know in the comments if you struggle with that too sometimes. To bring the effect of a watercolor style into a mural work is simply to water down your colors by about 50 to 50% water and paint. And what I basically do to paint the color splashes is to first paint the contour of the splash at all, and then do a soft blending from the edge into the center of the splash by just using a wet brush. You may hurry up in this particular case because the acrylic paint is drying very fast. Thumbs up if you think this tip is helpful. And I just used 3 different colors for these splashes. I used just blue, green and a reddish pink, less saturated color. And it's super important to avoid dark colors when you try to reach the effect of a bright light color. Going straight into the next step for this mural painting, I decided just to add some leaves and hummingbirds. Before I started to paint on the wall, I do a sketch before, just for my customer to show him how it looks like after it's finished. And when I'm planning a project like this, I want the colors to be harmonious. And what I mean is, you see me painting a green leaf on a green splash of color. And the same rule for a different spot. See, I'm painting a bluish greenish hummingbird right on top of the bluish and greenish color splash. And this is my goal for each and every project that I do. Just figuring out what makes a painting looks awesome and implement it in the same way. Okay, let me just tell you something about Skillshare. It's an online educational platform where you can learn almost everything. Whether it's design, drawing, illustrating, photography, you can choose any class you want and click inside the video and learn it step by step from start to finish. And the very best thing about that is when you follow the link in the description and use the code, you will get 2 months for free of using Skillshare in any class you want. So go ahead and check that out. Okay, coming straight back into the project that we are working on. And there is just a little problem that we have. The base coat is glossy and the paint is matte. So let us just fix this problem with a simple trick. I am using Capaplex. It's a transparent binder and helps us to fix this surface problem. And what I basically do is to make the bucket full of water and do the Capaplex inside the water bucket about 50 to 50%. Dip in the brush into the bucket and go straight to the wall and cover the whole acrylic painting. And there it is. As you see, the glossy effect goes all over the whole wall. So if you want to see more art and creative stuff, then please follow me on Instagram. And stay tuned, I hope to see you in the next episode.